This will be an example of how to simplify a radical expression. Remember, the rules pretty much state that you cannot have perfect, in this case, perfect squares underneath this square root. So we'll deal with the number first. Now, before we even start, this 4 is sitting on the outside. It's just normal 4. The operation that is connecting these two is multiplication. So anything that comes out has to multiply this 4 that's sitting out here. So what I do with numbers is I usually start down, breaking it down into prime factors, starting off with the smallest number, smallest prime number specifically, that divides evenly into 270, which happens to be 2. So it would be 2 times 135. Now 2 doesn't go into 135, but 3 does. So we're going to factor that down a little, break it down a little bit more. So that would be 345. Alright, and 45, 3 also goes into it 15 times, and 3 goes into that 5 times. So these are the prime factorization, well, this is the prime factorization of 270, 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times that 5. Don't look at things that were broken down. It's just this little L shape here along the bottom. Alright, and since this is a square root, what we're looking for is pairs of numbers. Well, there's only one pair. There happens to be this pair of 3's. So we're going to take a 3 out, just a single 3, and it has to multiply that 4 there. So when it does that, you're going to get 12. Alright, and then we start working with the variables. Probably the easiest way to deal with a variable is realize that there's a little index of 2 here for a square root, and just do a little division. 2 goes into 5 2 times, so you're going to get 2 factors of x on the outside. 2 goes into 4 2 times, so you're going to get 2 factors of y on the outside. And then we can worry about, well, what's left behind. This 2 here is left behind, and this 3, and this 5. So since they're all left behind, operation of course is multiplication. That's going to be 30. So we get 30. And when we did this little division by the 2, 2 went into the 5 twice, but it had a remainder of 1. And 2 went into 4 twice, but it had a remainder of 0, so I'm not going to leave anything y factors behind. And this becomes our simplified radical expression.